I'm gonna show you guys how well this Jeep Wrangler 2020 drives through it. As if it's nothing. As if it's nothing. What up? What's up? This is PP right here, and today I'm gonna tell you guys how my experience is driving the 2020 Wrangler Sahara in New York City while it's snowing. It's one of the biggest snowstorms that New York City has had in the past 5 years. So far, it's driving pretty well. It's driving on 4H, so all the 4 wheels are working right now, and it's pretty smooth. You know, I feel like it's almost like it's not snowing. You know, this is not a paid ad for Jeep or anything, man, but so far the ride is pretty smooth. You know, so let's get it. Tacos. Yes, still snowing as you can see. Man, I think the snow is getting worse at this point, but I ain't scared. Back at it.